Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some Windows 11 wireless capability is turn off error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your control panel, go to your network and internet, go to your network and sharing center. Click on change adapter settings. Click on change adapter settings. Select the adapter which you use to connect your internet. Right click on disable. After doing this step, after a few seconds, once again enable it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that going to your settings of your Windows. After doing this step, go to your system and click on troubleshoot. Go to your other troubleshoot, scroll down and click on a network adapter. Click on run it. Select a Wi-Fi or any network adapter which you use to your connect your internet. Click on next button. Click on close. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that going to your settings of your Windows, go to your network and internet, go to your advanced network settings, click on more network adapter options, select the adapter which you use to connect your internet, right click, go to your properties, click on configure, click on power management and uncheck the allow computer turn off this device on safe mode. Uncheck it, click on OK button and close it. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open a device manager. After opening that, select a network adapter and select a wireless network adapter which is you install. So in my case is USB wireless LAN driver. So right click on update driver. First of all, click on search automatically from driver. Close it. If your problem is still, then you can try a right click on a network adapter. Click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. Select a network adapter. Click on next button. After doing this, set close it. If your problem is still, then you can select a driver, right click and uninstall the driver, and after doing this set once again reinstall the driver. After doing this set, restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this set your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.